If you're looking for a fast and easy Easter dessert, give these no-bake chocolate nests a try. Welcome to the Sugar Hero channel. I'm Elizabeth LeBeau, and today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make these classic treats. Start by combining 12 ounces, that's 2 cups, of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 12 ounces of peanut butter chips together in a large bowl. Microwave them at half power for 30 seconds, then stir well. And at this point, they won't really be melted yet, but keep microwaving in small spurts and stir in between. The reason I recommend half power and these short intervals is so that your chips won't overheat or scorch or seize. Sometimes chips can be a little sensitive, and being slow and steady really just keeps your chocolate happy. So once it's beautifully melted and smooth, add 12 ounces or about 5 cups of crunchy chow mein noodles and stir all that together until the noodles are coated with chocolate. You have some substitution options here. You can swap in Rice Krispies or cornflakes or nuts for part of the chow mein noodles, or my personal favorite is using crunchy toasted coconut instead. That one's really good if you like coconut. It's a flexible recipe, so you can play around with it and experiment. Then take a big spoon and drop about 1/4 cup of the mixture onto a parchment-covered baking sheet. Spread it out so it's round with a little indentation in the middle, kind of like a nest shape, and while the chocolate's still wet, press a few chocolate eggs right in the middle. Repeat this with more of the chow mein noodles and eggs until you've used it all up. Depending on the size you've made them, you should get about 25 nests from this recipe. Refrigerate the tray for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chocolate is set. Then you are ready to enjoy them. I suggest you store these in the refrigerator, but let them sit at room temperature a bit before you serve them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. Happy eating!